Welcome to Sunny Farm, where all the animals are ready to say hello. Let's meet our farm friends and learn about their day. Rooster. Here's Roger the rooster. Roger wakes everyone up bright and early with his loud cock-a-doodle-doo. He's the farm's alarm clock. Cow. Next, we have the gentle cows. These lovely ladies give us fresh milk every day. Did you know cows spend most of their time eating grass? Mootastic. Pig. Over here are the playful pigs. They love to roll in the mud to stay cool on sunny days. Mud baths keep their skin happy. The chickens. Meet the chickens. They lay eggs for breakfast every morning. The sheep. Here come the fluffy sheep. Their wool keeps us warm in the winter. And look, the little lambs are playing tag. The horse. And last but not least, meet Charlie the horse. He loves to gallop and help Farmer Joe carry hay. Isn't he majestic? The dog. Meet Daisy the dog. She's the farm's loyal protector. Cat. Meet Whiskers the cat. She's the farm's clever and mysterious resident, always sneaking around in the shadows or napping in the sun. Whiskers loves chasing mice and playing with anything that moves, especially if it's a string. And that's the end of our adventure at Sunny Farm. We met so many fun animals today, each one unique and special in their own way. From the rooster's morning crow to the playful goat and the clever cat, life on the farm is always full of surprises. We hope you had fun meeting all the animals. Which animal was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Farmyard fun. See you next time.